We had to cancel our plans to camp elsewhere in the Brecon Beacons tonight because of the Green Man Indie Festival that's going on. So back here in the same place as one of my previous videos on the Blorenge, and this time I have with me my two eldest sons. Met a lovely Indian couple who pointed out that there are vimberries up here. I don't trust myself with knowing what I can and can't eat that's lying around, so I'm not going to risk it. Some beautiful views opening up. As you know, you've got the Severn over there, you can see Bristol Channel. It won't really come across on camera, so I won't bother, but we're nearly down to where we're camping, and need to get the tents up. There's some rain around, some pretty heavy rain that we've seen, so it's completely the opposite of what the forecast said, so we'll see. Got 3 tents today, but I'll show you those in due course. Just arriving at the camping ground that went to in the previous video. Absolutely love this place. I had a very windy tent setup, so kind of cut. So this is the Vango Spectre 200. It's about 12-13 years old. Over here I have my Abisko Lite 1, and over here we have the Gossamer 2 by Jack Wolfskin. We have that view there. That's Abergavenny.
The sun is gone away, in the darkness of the night, I don't have to look too hard to see that I'm living in your life. When I look into your eyes, it all makes perfect sense to me. I didn't know that I could feel this way. I am happy just to be in your light, in your light. No shadow, there's no darkness. I don't feel alone without you, 'cause I'm living in your life.
Well, sorry for the lack of filming a little bit. I realised that this morning I'd filmed everything, me talking to you, in time-lapse, which doesn't work very well, does it? Anyway, we're just packing up the tents now. We had a good night overall. We kind of slept on and off, but you know, crucially we did sleep, which is good. And yeah, so when we put the tents up last night, it was it was getting dark, it was windy, we didn't have time to film basically. But again, once again, we are waking up to an amazing view. You can see behind me there. Yeah, that's pretty special. That's pretty special. Anyway, I will sign off here because we're going to strike camp, get back to the car, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the sunrise. Cheers. Bye bye.